Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the super creepy smile on Dress to Impress. So I did use the mask for it, and I did use the checkerboard pattern. This one, not this one, the, I don't know, plaid pattern. It's this black and white one next to the red and pink one. For the accessory adjustment, for the position, I did x-axis at 0.52, y at 0.53, and z at 0.42. For the rotation, I did x at 0.12, y at 0.90, and z at 0.35. And then for the scale, I did 0.38, and that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.